Have you ever wondered why some riders, no matter how skilled they are, still end up in accidents that weren't their fault? The truth is, it's rarely just about bad luck or poor roads. It's about habits. Tiny, invisible mistakes that creep into your riding style and stay there. These mistakes don't announce themselves. They don't shout danger. They whisper comfort. The comfort of familiarity. The illusion of control. Until one day, that illusion breaks, and the road teaches you a brutal lesson. Most bikers think they're different. I've got experience. I've got control. But here's the psychological trap. Experience doesn't eliminate mistakes. It hides them behind confidence. The more you ride, the more your brain starts to operate on autopilot, turning dangerous behavior into routine. That's why the majority of accidents happen to experienced riders, not beginners. This video isn't about rules. It's about mental rewiring. It's about exposing those 12 deadly riding mistakes that silently sabotage even the best riders. By the end of this, you'll see the road differently, not as an open space for speed and skill, but as a test of awareness, discipline, and control. Because out there, 1 second of ignorance can cost you your life, and worse, your pride. So before you grab that throttle again, let's strip down every illusion you've built about good riding and uncover the 12 mistakes that every real biker must avoid. 1. Riding with ego instead of awareness. Most riders don't crash because of lack of skill. They crash because of ego. That small voice that says, "I can take that corner faster," or "I'll overtake him just to prove I can." The motorcycle amplifies your emotions, anger, pride, impatience, and disguises them as confidence. The truth? The road doesn't care about your confidence. It only respects precision. A real rider isn't the one who dominates the road. It's the one who dominates himself. 2. Ignoring body positioning. Riding isn't just steering. It's balancing physics. Your body is part of the machine. The moment you sit stiff or lean wrong, you throw off your bike's entire equilibrium. Leaning too much on your arms, keeping your head too high, or gripping the tank too tight, all of it adds micro instability. On sharp turns, that's the difference between control and chaos. Your body should flow with the bike, not fight it. When the bike leans, your mind leans with it. 3. Overbraking or panic braking. Here's a brutal truth. When fear hits, logic dies. In emergencies, your survival instinct screams, "Slam the brakes!" But that's exactly what causes the fall. You can't panic brake. You must modulate it. Squeeze, don't slam. Front brake gives control. Rear brake gives stability. Learn to use both like a symphony, not a panic button. 4. Not looking through the turn. Most riders stare at the turn, not through it. Your motorcycle follows your eyes. If your eyes fix on danger, your bike follows danger. If you look where you want to go, your bike naturally flows there. Your vision is your steering wheel. Where your focus goes, the bike flows. 5. Riding beyond your skill level. Speed doesn't prove mastery, control does. Many bikers chase adrenaline instead of progression. They mistake recklessness for confidence. But the real warriors of the road are calculators, not thrill seekers. The most disciplined riders never push limits they can't predict. They expand gradually, with surgical precision. 6. Ignoring tire pressure and maintenance tires are your only connection to the ground, and yet most riders treat them like an afterthought. One PSI too low or too high can destroy handling, braking, and corner stability. Checking pressure isn't boring, it's survival, because one tiny bubble of air decides whether you slide or stay upright. 7. Wearing gear for style, not safety. Here's the twisted psychology. Many riders dress to look like bikers, not survive like them. No helmet, no jacket, because it feels free. But freedom without protection is just recklessness wearing leather. Real bikers don't care how they look on the road. They care how they look after the crash. 8. Riding in blind spots. Truck mirrors, car mirrors. They have blind zones that can literally erase you from existence. If you can't see the driver's eyes, he can't see you. Simple rule, but ignored by thousands every day. You may think, I'm visible, but in reality, you're invisible until it's too late. Ride where you can be seen, not where you wish to be seen. 9. Misjudging corners and speed. Corners are silent assassins. You enter too hot, and by the time your brain processes danger, your body has no time to react. Every corner has a story. The entry, the apex, and the exit. Read it like a book. Brake before the curve. Lean through it. Accelerate out of it. Anything else is gambling with gravity. 10. Not understanding road psychology. You're not just riding your bike, you're riding through the collective insanity of human behavior. Every driver is a variable, distracted, emotional, unpredictable. Predict stupidity. Expect it. Assume every car will cut you off. Every pedestrian will step forward. Every signal will fail. That's how you stay alive. 11. Riding when mentally distracted. Your mind and throttle must be synchronized. If your mind drifts, your reaction time doubles. A distracted biker isn't a rider. He's a ticking bomb. If your emotions are unstable, if your focus is fractured, don't ride. Because the road punishes divided minds with full consequences. 12. Believing it won't happen to me. This is the deadliest mistake of all. The illusion of immunity. Every rider who's crashed once said that same sentence before it happened. Confidence without awareness turns into arrogance. The moment you think you're untouchable, the road reminds you you're not. So now that you've heard the 12 deadly mistakes every biker must avoid, let me ask you something. How many of these were you secretly guilty of? 1? 3? Maybe all 12? Here's the truth. Awareness is what separates a rider from a survivor. And if you made it this far, you're clearly not just here for entertainment. You're here to evolve. You're the kind of rider who wants control, precision, and mastery over the machine. And that's exactly what this channel is built for. Because here, we don't just talk about bikes. We talk about the psychology of riding, the hidden habits, the mental rewiring that turns a casual biker into a road predator. So if you're serious about becoming that kind of rider, the one who commands respect on the road, who rides with clarity, not chaos, then hit that subscribe button right now. Not for me, for you. Because the next video might just fix the habit that saves your life. And when you subscribe, you're not joining a channel. You're joining a mindset, a brotherhood of riders who don't just ride fast, they ride smart. Now, drop a comment below. Tell me which mistake hit you the hardest. And welcome to the family of riders who never stop learning. Ride hard, ride wise, and don't forget to subscribe before the road teaches you the hard way.